Welcome back to the place where we dive deep into the world of motorcycles, performance machines, and the latest in automotive technology. If you're a motorcycle enthusiast or simply curious about the world's fastest and most cutting-edge bikes, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all our latest content. Now, let's get into today's video. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R is a machine that has mesmerized motorcycle enthusiasts since its debut. With its stunning performance and futuristic design, it's become a symbol of Kawasaki's engineering excellence. Today, we're going to talk about what we can expect from the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja H2R, a bike that's been keeping the world of hyperbikes on edge. From its power output to design enhancements, we'll go over everything you need to know about this next-level performance machine. Before we jump into the specifics of the 2025 model, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible legacy the Ninja H2R has built since its inception. First introduced in 2015, the H2R was the brainchild of Kawasaki's engineers, pushing the boundaries of what a supercharged sport bike could be. Before we jump into the specifics of the 2025 model, let's take a moment to appreciate the supercharged sport bike could be. Unlike anything else at the time, the Ninja H2R was a bold statement from Kawasaki that they were ready to go head-to-head with the world's fastest motorcycles. The first-gen Ninja H2R boasted a 998cc supercharged inline-4 engine that produced 310 horsepower, making it the most powerful production motorcycle in the world at the time. And even today, it continues to hold the title of the most powerful Track 11 Anti-Famara track-only motorcycle available. Now, let's dive into what we can expect from the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja H2R in terms of power and performance. If you're familiar with the current model, you already know that this beast comes with a supercharged 998cc inline-4 engine, delivering a staggering 310 horsepower at the crank. But Kawasaki isn't a brand that rests on its laurels. For 2025, there are some significant performance upgrades that will make this already insane bike even more impressive. First up, Kawasaki has continued to fine-tune their supercharged engine. Expect to see an increase in both power and efficiency. Reports suggest that the 2025 H2R will push past the 330 horsepower mark, potentially reaching closer to 350 horsepower at the crank. That means more speed, more power, and an even more electrifying experience on the track. The engine will likely be paired with a more refined version of Kawasaki's unique KQS, Kawasaki Quick Shifter system, which will offer seamless gear transitions for maximum acceleration and smoother lap times. When you're dealing with a bike of this caliber, every millisecond counts, and Kawasaki is dedicated to making sure that you're getting the most out of every gear shift. When it comes to design, the Ninja H2R has always been a showcase of form and function. The 2025 model is no exception. Kawasaki is known for pushing the boundaries of aerodynamics, and they've taken the H2R's design to the next level. Expect to see new advancements in the fairing design, with even more aggressive lines and a more sculpted look that not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also contributes to improved downforce and stability at high speeds. Out of the standout features of the H2R's design has always been its winglets, large aerodynamic appendages that enhance stability at high speeds and reduce lift. For the 2025 model, these winglets will likely be even larger and more finely tuned, contributing to even better high-speed stability and handling. In terms of materials, Kawasaki is rumored to be incorporating more carbon fiber into the bodywork of the 2025 H2R. This will not only shave off precious weight, but also give the bike an even more aggressive, race-ready appearance. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R isn't just about brute power, it's also about cutting-edge technology, and the 2025 model will take things even further with advancements in electronics that improve both performance and rider safety. Let's talk about Kawasaki's proprietary electronics suite, the Kawasaki Intelligent Pro system, which will feature several key updates for 2025. We're expecting enhanced cornering management with an updated version of the KTRC, Kawasaki Traction Control, which will allow for more precise control over power delivery, especially in unpredictable conditions. Then there's the KIBS, K-I-B-S, Kawasaki Intelligent Anti-Lock Braking System, which will be upgraded to offer even more intuitive braking behavior on track. This system will make sure you're getting the most out of your brakes, no matter how aggressive you're riding. Yeah. Of the most exciting new features for 2025 will be the integration of a more advanced ride-by-wire system, which will give riders smoother throttle response and more precise power delivery at all RPM ranges. Combined with the improved KQS system, this makes the 2025 Ninja H2R feel almost telepathic in its responsiveness. We can also expect an upgraded TFT display, which will provide more detailed performance data, including lap times, telemetry data, and real-time performance monitoring. This information will allow riders to track their lap times with precision and make on-the-fly adjustments based on real-time performance metrics. Power is one thing, but handling is what truly separates a hyperbike from a standard sport bike. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja H2R is expected to feature significant improvements in the chassis and suspension departments. Kawasaki has always partnered with top-tier suspension manufacturers, and it's likely that the new model will include an updated version of the Öhlins suspension, giving riders even more customization and control over their ride. The suspension setup will likely feature fully adjustable forks and shock absorbers, allowing for precise tuning based on track conditions. This means that whether you're hitting a straightaway or carving through tight corners, the H2R will respond exactly how you want it to. In addition to suspension improvements, expect further refinements in the bike's frame design. Kawasaki has always been able to achieve a balance between rigidity and flexibility, and with the 2025 H2R, we expect an even lighter, more rigid frame that enhances both cornering and stability at high speeds. Stopping power is just as important as acceleration, especially when you're riding a bike like the Ninja H2R. For the 2025 model, we're likely to see an upgrade to the braking system, including larger, more advanced carbon composite discs from Brembo. These advanced brakes will offer the ultimate stopping power, ensuring that you can push the bike to its limits while remaining in complete control. Brembo's M50 calipers will likely return, delivering superior braking performance with a focus on both consistency and feedback. This will be complemented by an improved KIBS, Kawasaki Intelligent Anti-Lock Braking System, that is even more sensitive, offering better modulation under braking in the most demanding situations. Given the performance upgrades, enhanced technology, and improved materials, the price is expected to be a little higher than the 2023 model. The current H2R is priced at around $75,000, and the 2025 model could see a price tag anywhere between $80,000 to $90,000. depending on the exact specifications and options. Of course, this is still a track-owned bike, so it won't be street legal. But for the performance it offers, it's a machine that enthusiasts are willing to pay a premium for. Production is limited, which means that the 2025 Ninja H2R will be even rarer than its predecessors. If you're serious about owning one, you might want to get in touch with your local Kawasaki dealer as soon as possible, as they're likely to have a very limited stock available. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja H2R is shaping up to be the ultimate expression of motorcycle engineering. With a staggering increase in horsepower, cutting-edge aerodynamics, top-tier electronics, and unmatched handling, it's clear that Kawasaki is determined to continue its dominance in the world of hyperbikes. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.